Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss why your Gmail address is not receiving emails. So the first reason why you might not receive emails on your Gmail is that your Gmail storage is full. So there is a 15 gigabytes free limit, and if you hit this limit, you won't receive new emails. So to fix this, you can go to the Google storage on your preferred browsing system. For me, it's Safari. So Google storage. Open this link. No, it's not this link. I'm sorry. This is Google Help. This one, Google Help. Manage your storage in Drive, Gmail, and Photos. And here you can check how much storage you have. This blue button. And you see that my storage is completely empty. So I used 0 gigabytes of 15 gigabytes. So if you see that your storage is full, you can delete large emails in your Gmail application. You can delete Google Photos. You can delete also Drive. Just clean your space right here. So the next reason why you may not receive emails is that the emails are going to spam. It happens sometimes mistakenly, and to fix this you need to go to your application, then enter the menu section. This is the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner, and here is the section spam. So I don't have any emails right here, so I should take another device and show you. One moment. So okay, here I have spam section. And for example, this email, and you see the button report as not spam. So I have unmarked this email as it's not a spam, so the emails from that sender will be in my inbox and not in my spam section. Also, maybe you have accidentally blocked a sender, and that's why the emails from that sender are not going to your inbox. So to view blocked senders, you need to go to the menu, enter settings, and choose the account you're using, and here you see blocked users. I don't have any blocked users, but if you have a list right here of blocked users, you need to unblock the user you have accidentally blocked earlier. Also, another reason can be internet connection or some server issues. So to fix this, you need to check your Wi-Fi if everything is alright. Also, you can try a different device to check your emails. So that's basically the main reasons why you may not receive your emails on your Gmail account. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, Please leave your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.